The truly current exchanging volume of Avalanche generally is at $467.13 which in a real sense is very critical. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which fundamentally is very huge. Avax's medium-term support basically remained at $13.68 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche's MR10 most certainly shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. 24 Walk 2024. In this video, we will for the most part walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Avalanche truly is Avax an excellent interest in a very huge manner. Avalanche support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Avax specialized examination, let us truly discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to total 24 of 99,633,658, showing how market examination over the in every way that really matters last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to total 24's 99,063,1833,658 in a genuinely enormous manner. The especially complete exchanging volume truly remains at $68,721,671.4, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is genuinely huge, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65,694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63%, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time period, showing how the essentially current exchanging volume of Avalanche fundamentally is at $467.13 or so they truly thought. Sol, the local coin of Solana, for the most part is somewhere around 37, and as of now exchanging at $177.01, which in every practical sense shows that Avax's medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem, especially further appearance how the very current exchanging volume of Avalanche truly is at $467.13 in an essentially significant manner. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending course for sort of present moment, which most certainly is very critical. Right now, a very broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a descending bearing for pretty momentary in an extremely enormous manner. Avalanche backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 37, and as of now exchanging at $177.01, which really shows that Avax's medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Support basically is a level at which purchases truly become considerably more essentially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers for the most part become moved genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Avalanche. Avax Avalanche execution. The truly current Avalanche cost explicitly is $53.75, with an exchanging volume of $467.13. We have at 68 as in the essentially beyond 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. Right now, Avax for the most part is somewhere near 244% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $22.85 and 92,467 as US, which certainly shows that Sol, the extremely local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere near 37, and at present exchanging at $177.01, which explicitly shows that Avax's medium term support really remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche value examination. Avax cost investigation for 24 walk 2024 inside an everyday time period especially made sense of beneath, all things considered. Further appearance how 24 walk 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is essentially momentary. Cost expectation for Avalanche. Certainly is Avax and in every way that really matters, wise interest in a very significant way. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving kind of normal SMA and outstanding moving especially normal MA to generally break down the future development of the Avalanche, so the genuinely current exchanging volume of Avalanche truly is at $467.13 168 as in a huge manner, while Avax's Williams percent R pointer truly is at 46.57 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. The exchange really signal fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach, which basically is genuinely critical. The Avax moving especially normal combination and uniqueness MACD pointer explicitly is demonstrating a buy and large present moment for the most part sell kind of sign, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which fundamentally implies essentially bears sort of a ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $499.63,833,658, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole digital money market to $499.63,833,658 in an unpretentious manner. In every practical sense, relative strength record RSI shows that the Avax coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 29, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 149% within a similar time period, exhibiting how the kind of current exchanging volume of Avalanche in every practical sense is at $467.13 168 as in a significant